Jenny tu. You are the landlord. This is your property.
This is my property.
Since when?
1995.
Okay. You have documents, everything.
I have everything.
Can I see your documents?
Yes.
So they've disappeared, huh?
This is valid from 2003, valid for 43 years.
3 years. So even the lease has not expired.
It is not expired. This is the third
In
time.
fact, the law is very clear. If you put some developments, some structures on the land, the lease is supposed to, when it expires, it's supposed to automatically
Renew.
Yes.
Renew it.
It's supposed to be automatic.
Yes.
Yeah.
But this has it's been.
Did they serve you with any documents?
They did not. They did not. You can see the bank. It's even my original is charged at the top. I came in. They refused to talk to me. On the contrary, they asked me for the court orders. Court orders for what? I'm the owner of
You're
the
the owner
plot.
of the property. Your title is very
Yes.
clear. The lease has not expired.
This lease is not expired.
It's valid till 2068, I think.
Somewhere around.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. And I called the OCS.
Yeah.
Actually, I went straight to Spring Valley Police Station,
Yeah.
OCS. I explained to him, because this is the third time it has happened. So he came, he talked to, he was outside, they didn't let him come in. I don't know what they talked, and then he left in a huff. He left.
Okay.
And since then we've been here, obviously we've been waiting for you.
Yeah. No, I was far, but I
Waiting
sent my boys to come and
Thank you
rescue
so
you.
much.
Yeah.
I'm really honestly grateful. But this, as I said, this is third time. In September, again Friday, midday, they targeted, they came, they brought about 10 people. We were out, they stayed in this
No,
compound
we will deal with them.
for 10 days.
We are going to deal with them.
They ransacked, they demolished or ransacked the place, they stole whatever.
They normally do that.
And so we thought the
You have
matter
our
is
protection.
over. I recorded at the Spring Valley, recorded the statement at police station, and I thought it is all over.
You know the grabber? Have you
The first time who came, I have his details.
You have his details.
I have his details.
Okay, we need to have those details.
I will give you
I'll
his
need those
details.
details.
I'll give you his details.
Yeah, I need those
because
details.
I have his picture. He says that belongs to his father from 2003. So I asked him, where were you from 2003 till now?
Till now.
Where were you? So we both
But
went
you
to...
lodged your lease for renewal, huh?
It has been renewed
It
in
has already been
1995. We
For
renewed
53 years.
for 43 years
43
from
years.
2003. So as you can
Yeah,
see,
I can see.
and this is my certified by my advocate.
Yeah, I can see. We are going to
Correct.
deal with them.
So
We have a working government. Leave
we
that.
need a working
Did
government.
the police take any action after you reported the matter? No.
No.
You reported to the OCS, eh? The number you forwarded to me.
I did.
Okay, I'll deal with the case.
The person who came with a fake allotment letter in September, on the allotment letter, which I read, I saw, because I was not given a copy, neither police gave me a copy, but I read it's Peter Kibat and something Mutisa. I would not like to pinpoint the reason being its benefit of doubt. I cannot do, because anyone can have a
For
photo.
her security, there are things she cannot
Certain
mention.
things I cannot
She will brief
mention,
me, then I will
but
deal
they
with the
verbally they were giving
grabbers.
us that these are from higher offices, from State House, and they
But
were
those are the
mentioning-
names which are using.
They use it, but it's a benefit of doubt. We cannot take their word. Anyone can use.
But
Even I can
whether
use.
they come from State House or KDF
It's
or police, we are
okay,
going
yes.
to deal with them. Leave it to
Thank
us.
you, thank
Yeah.
you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. We want you to be our governor because we can see.
No.
Sorry,
Yeah,
we
proceed.
can see the Nairobi we want, the protection we want, the city which should be in the hub in the world, the beauty of Nairobi. I presume you can bring it.
For now, my main mandate is to protect your interests as a landowner in Nairobi. We'll come and talk about politics later. But for now, let me
Thank
discharge
you,
my
sir. But
duties
this is
as
an
your-
opportunity. But this is an opportunity for me
Tulieni.
to tell him now
No
because
problem.
I may not meet him again.
No problem. I want to see your caretakers and the watchmen.
Yes.
I want to give them the number of my coordinators
yes,
on the ground.
yes,
Yeah?
yes.
My assistants on the ground. In case they come, you call call us.
We will do so. Thank you, sir.
I think there is a lot of conspiracy between the grabbers, the land officers, even the police officers. You've had the complaint, and it was just the lady, the landlady has just complained that the OCS was here and he never took any action. The guys came here without a court order, without any eviction order. They just had a fake allotment. Her documents are very clear. They are self-explanatory. The lease was renewed 10 years ago for 43 years, which have not expired. And the lease conditions are very clear. Once you've put a structure on a building, on a land like this, and the lease expires, you are given first priority for the renewal to be renewed in your favor, because you've put a structure, you've developed the land. For a case whereby the land has not been developed, then there is a risk of the lease going to a third party. But for now, we've seen the buildings which is put. We cannot allow such things to happen in Nairobi.
So what is the assurance to your people in Nairobi?
The assurance, I think, we have to take this law maybe a notch higher, because we have to deal, number one, to deal with the conspiracy. We have to address this issue. We have to talk to Mr. Boynet to deal with his officers. Because the OCS was here. He was supposed to give security to this landlady. Because the grabber didn't have a court order, didn't have an enforcement order, an eviction order, a demolition order. Yeah, that was very wrong. So we are going to protect all landowners in this county. We are going to deal with all the land grabbers. And kama the police watashindwa na kazi yao, these bulldozers, we are going to choma them. Tutaregesha ile sheria yetu ya zamani. Because if the police fail to protect the citizens of this county, we are going to take law into our own hands now. You've seen I've come with my boys. They are very disciplined. They are very disciplined. The police are not here to, even I called the OCS myself. I told him I'm coming here. I need security. The OCS are not coming here. So it means the OCS is aware. The OCPD is aware. The police are aware of what is going on. And we will not allow this to happen, because we have a working government, a working system.
Yes.
Under the Jubilee administration, we don't allow this kind of nonsense to happen in Nairobi.
It's the second time now. We've been fighting for this for how many months?
She's
now?
a mother.
Yeah, we are all together.
Yes, sir.
This is the same scenario every now and then. This is probably the third or fourth time people are just walking in, because there's some corruption going on, whatever national lands or whatever it is. Who's facing? Us Kenyans. We are born and bred here. We are not from India or wherever it is. We are born and bred here. This is what is happening here. We've been trying. I myself have gone to the OCS, Spring Valley, wherever, called people.
But I was just notified today of the case. I was not aware.
Yeah, but this is what the problem is.
But I'm dealing with the case from now.
Please,
Yeah.
appreciate
In case
it.
of anything from now, you just blame me and my office.
Appreciate it.
And the government of Jubilee.
Thank you.
We will not allow this nonsense to happen.
This
I've seen your mother. I've seen...
is ridiculous. And I appreciate it.
You are safe. Nobody's going to take
I'm going to start a restaurant.
Kabisa kiongozi, pamoja. Haya, tu pamoja.